Selamat pagi murid-murid, saya Joe Flizzo. Conjunctions are words that join two or more words, ideas, sentences together. Connected conjunctions are used to make communication faster. So we put more ideas into one sentence rather than two or three different sentences. The connector conjunctions and their use are as follows. And, dan. It connects two similar ideas. I ate noodles and fried rice. Saya makan mie dan nasi. Also, juga. Again, it connects two similar ideas. She works hard and also studies every day. Dia bekerja keras dan juga mengulang kaji setiap hari. Another example. But, tetapi. The second idea is the opposite of the first idea. I want to eat, but I have no food. Saya hendak makan, tetapi saya tiada makanan. Because, kerana, shows the reason. They slept early because they were tired. Mereka tidur awal kerana mereka letih. Or, atau. It gives a choice. You have to study English or Italian. Or, awak perlu belajar bahasa Inggeris atau bahasa Itali. Then, kemudian, related to time. The second action happens after the first. We found our dog and then we went home. Kami menjumpai anjing kami dan kemudian kami pulang ke rumah. So, supaya. Shows the reason or the purpose. I study English so I can get a job. Saya belajar bahasa Inggeris supaya saya boleh dapatkan pekerjaan. While, semasa. The two actions happen at the same time. He worked hard at this cafe while he studied in university. Dia bekerja keras di kafe ini sambil belajar bersungguh-sungguh di universiti. Since, disebabkan. It shows the reason, the same as because. Since I was sick, I could not go to work. Disebabkan saya sakit, saya tidak dapat pergi kerja. Whether, sama ada. It gives you a choice. I am going whether you like it or not. Saya akan pergi sama ada awak suka atau tidak. Next. That, yang. Gives detail on an idea. He thinks that you will travel tomorrow. Dia rasa awak akan mengembara besok. To, untuk. Shows the reason. She opened the book to read. Dia membuka buku untuk membaca. These are the most common connector conjunctions that help us make communication faster. Once again, it's your boy Joe Flizzo. Thank you for watching. Peace and love.